Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Wanna make this? Let's start. So first of all, open a blank slide, go to insert and shapes and insert the shape. Rotate it. Now increase its size. Adjust it. There you go. Now go to insert tab and shapes and add a rectangle right here. Move it downwards and add a circle right here onto this rectangle. Duplicate it and place it next to the first one right here. Select the rectangle and then the circle, go to merge and then subtract. This shape is made by subtracting both the shapes from this rectangle. Now adjust it right here. Now go to insert shapes and add a circle right here. It has to be small. Adjust it. Select both the shapes, go to merge and union. Go to insert and shapes and add a shape that is a rectangle right onto the circle. Select both the shapes and go to merge and subtract. Go to insert shapes and add another smaller circle. Move it right here. Select both the shapes, go to merge and union. Move it downwards. Add a text box and a circle. Move it into the middle. Go to insert and shapes and add a rectangle. Add a circle. There you go, I have made this. Now I'm going to duplicate it and then rotate it and place it right here. Now I'm going to change its color to purple and I'm going to duplicate this text, change its color and copy it and paste it onto this one shape. We'll have to change the color of the text to purple as well. Now the last step is to add an icon. There we go, I have added the icon. Here's the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel